So how do you make money on YouTube without making videos? I'm talking $100 to $500 per day without having to make any of your own content.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to this channel. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how this person is actually making millions of dollars by using YouTube. I'm going to show you some of his example channels that he's using to go and make money online, and I'm going to show you step by step what he's doing to go and make money online, so you can go and follow this as well and also make money. So you have been on YouTube and you have been trying to grow a YouTube channel. There are chances that you have seen this channel right here called Make Money Mad right here, that is posting a lot of videos that's giving people a lot of tips on how to go and make money on YouTube. What I'm going to do is in this particular video is that I'm going to show you how he's actually making a lot of money online, and I'm also going to show you guys some of his channels that he's using to go and make money online that he doesn't show in his main channel right here. So once you can see all of that, be sure to go and watch this particular video till the end, as I'm going to show you all the ways that he's making money online. And it's someone that I actually admire a lot because I've actually getting a lot of good tips from him. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how he's actually making a lot of money online. So if you go to his channel, you're going to find out that he actually makes a lot of money on YouTube. He shows a lot of methods on how to go and make money online on YouTube. For example, make money on YouTube without making videos. And I've actually used a lot of his tips that actually helped me to go and grow in my own YouTube channels. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys one of his example channels from here that's actually making a lot of money. So let me show you guys one example from here. So this one example video from here, I'm going to show you guys is one of his channels that is actually running that has up to 1 million subscribers right here, and this is one of his biggest channels from here. So I'm sure that he still have a lot more other channels, but today I'm going to show you one of his channels that is actually making a lot of money from, because the channel actually has up to 1 million subscribers right here. So he's actually making a lot of money because you can see right here in his videos he actually run up to 9 different YouTube channels, and that's one of the ways that he's making money. He's making money from running YouTube channels and also making money by selling courses on YouTube. So Make Money Mad is a young kid that is actually making a lot of money on YouTube, that has discovered how to go and make a lot of money on YouTube by creating very simple and entertaining content. So you make sure to go and create content that people are going to be interested in, that is going to entertain people, and that's, guys, he's going to post it on YouTube, and that's where he's actually getting a lot of views and started making money online. And once he started making money online from the different channels, then he started teaching his tips that he used to grow his own channels right here on YouTube. And I'm going to show you guys one of the example channels. I'm going to show you guys up to 3 of his example channels that is actually making a lot of money right here. So if you go to his channel from here, his main channel is called Make Money Mad. I can go and find it on YouTube. It's going to show a lot of tips on how to go and make a lot of money. So many people are actually saying that this guy is a scam. He's not actually making any money. He's just teaching tips on how to go and make money on YouTube, and I'm going to show you guys that is not true, because he actually runs a lot of YouTube channels. So I'm going to show you guys some of his example channels from here with a real proof that he's actually making money from YouTube, and I'm going to show you guys other ways that he's actually making money from YouTube. So if you go, for example, to his channel from here, his main channel from here that you know about is called Make Money Mad. So if you go to the channel, you're going to find a lot of videos, and most of these videos from here are actually getting a lot of views, because most of his tips that he show inside his training are actually real, because I've actually used some of the tips myself and actually gotten some very good results in my own different YouTube channels from here. So you can see from here he's actually making money from YouTube AdSense, and he's also making money by selling his course from here. As you can see, for example, in one of his videos from here, you can see from here how he makes up to $100,000 a month by selling online courses. I'm going to show you guys the course that he's selling, and I'm also going to show you guys exactly how much money he's actually making from here. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys from here is that I'm going to show you guys one of his channels that he's actually making a lot of money from. That is the channel that he had before he started creating this type of content that's going to help people on how to go and make money on YouTube. So let me show you guys some of the example channels I found from here. Some of the example channels, this channel is called Apex TV. You can see from here has up to 1.33 million subscribers from here. You can see the content that is posted on this particular channel. You can see from here some videos, for example, of 3 years ago, and you can see this one 26 million views, 16 million views. So he was actually making a lot of money on YouTube before he created this other second channel to go and show people a lot of different tips on how to go and make money on YouTube without actually recording the videos yourself or showing your face, because in this channel from here he doesn't actually show his face, but he actually do the voiceover. And I'm going to show you guys proof that this is one of his channels from here, and he's using this to go and make money from here. So for example, by the oldest video from here, if I go to the oldest video, I said this channel has been online for up to 6 years from here, so he has actually been posting content for over 6 years on this channel, and he started making thousands of dollars from this particular channel before he started creating content on this second channel from here, Make Money Math, and he's also selling a course and making extra money by selling his course on YouTube. So let's go to Apex TV and let me show you guys one proof from here that this is him that actually owned this channel from here. So let me show you guys one example video from here. So you can see this video from here. Time Traveler took this video in the year 2021-20. So you can see from here this on Apex TV, and let me just play one of the clip from here, and you're going to go and match the voice. You're going to see that the voice is exactly the same as the same voice that he's using on this other channel from here, Make Money Mad. So pay close attention. Let me just play the video.
From the future, it is not CGI, it is not alterated, it is raw footage that has been distorted from the future of 2120.
So listen now to the voice.
So I remember you previously mentioned that you saw indication of intelligent extraterrestrial life here on Earth in the year 2030. In the year 2120, which you also claim to have gone to, did you see any indication of intelligent extraterrestrial?
So you can match the voice from here. If I go back to his main channel from here and play, for example, this video, you're going to go and hear the voice is exactly the same. So let me just click on play.
And if you guys don't know, I run 9 different YouTube channels, 8 of which I don't make any content for, including the channel that got me this.
So you can see from here, this is one of his channels from here that he's actually running. They started running a long time ago and he's actually making money from here. I can see this one of his example channels from here. He has up to 1 million subscribers, and this is somebody I actually respect a lot because he has actually helped me in a lot of free tips on YouTube, and I actually bought his course and I've actually gotten some good information from that course as well. So that's it, guys. So you can see from here he has up to 1.36 million subscribers from here. So let me show you guys some of the other example channels from here. So if I go, for example, let me go back to Apex TV. So we go back to Apex TV and click, for example, on the channel section. You're going to see he actually has the same channel right here and has been translated to other languages. You can see from here this Apex TV Espanol. I can see Apex TV Chinese, and you can see from here, if I go to one of these channels from here, you're going to see that it's going to be the exact videos on Apex TV, but it's in Spanish, so it's going to be making money from people that are going to be watching this channel right here in Spanish. So let me go to Apex TV Espanol. So this is very smart.
Bienvenidos a Apex
So you can see from
TV.
here. So you can see from here, this is going to be the exact videos from here, but it's going to be getting foreign views from Spanish because this is only for people that speak Spanish, and he's still going to be making a lot of money from AdSense. I can see from here the popular videos still have up to, for example, 15 million views, 12 million views, 6 million views. So he actually makes thousands of dollars on YouTube. So if you watch some of his videos from here, he actually claims that he actually makes sometimes up to $100,000 per month. And if you're getting this type of views from here, you can actually make up to $300,000, even $100,000 plus per month if you have this type of channels from here. And these channels I'm showing you guys from here are just some of his channels. I'm sure that there are other channels that I don't know about that he's actually running as well in the background, and he's still making money from it because these videos are actually getting millions of views. Millions of views means he's making thousands of dollars from these channels right here on YouTube, because you can go and actually make a lot of money if you're getting a lot of views. You can see, for example, this one channel right here has up to 97 million views alone. If I go back to this other one from here, if I go to the next channel, this is the same channel but it has been translated to Spanish. So what he does is that he's going to actually pay somebody to go and translate the exact video he has already created in English from here to other languages, so that he's going to go and make money from foreign countries. So if I go to this other one from here,
Alexander Smith.
so you can see from here it's in Chinese. I can see it's the exact videos from here, and they're still getting millions of views. So this is one of these channels that he's actually using to go and make a lot of money. And let me show you guys the third way that he's actually making a lot of money. So the next way that he's actually making a lot of money is by selling his own course. So you can see from here, if I go back to his channel, if for example to any of his videos on his channel, Make Money Mad, if you go to the description, you're going to see he's always actually selling his own course. If I click on this link from here, it's going to take you to his course that you can go and buy, and he's going to earn some extra money from here. And I actually think that he's somebody who's qualified to go and teach this course because he has actually run some very good successful YouTube channels, as I've shown you guys from here. He's actually running some of these channels right here and some other channels that I don't even know about. So you can see, if you are going to join his course, you're going to go and find a lot of information inside. But if you want to go and buy a course, I don't recommend to go and buy a course. I recommend that you can go and watch, for example, his free videos on YouTube, because if you watch his free videos on YouTube, there's not going to be any need buying this course from here. So what are the ways that he's making a lot of money from here that he can be making? For example, $2 million, as he has claimed in one of his videos from here, that he's making up to $2 million by selling his course from here. Is actually very possible because his course is actually very expensive. So he's selling this course on one network that is called D-Store24. So if you go to D-Store24 from here, let me go to the marketplace, and this is an affiliate marketplace that you can go and sell a lot of offers. If you go to the marketplace from here, you're going to see that his course from here is called Too Much Time Monetization. I can see from here he's going to go and pay people a commission of up to $205, which means that this offer is selling for almost $1,000 right here. So this course is almost $1,000. You can see from here the cost is $1,997. So he's actually making a lot of money from this course. So let's say, for example, that you sell this course from here, that's $997, and only, for example, only 100 people buy this course. He's going to make a lot of money from just selling this course. So let's copy, for example, let's say, for example, $997. So let's go to the calculator, and let's, for example, $997. So let me just close this. If, for example, input $997, for example, times 100 people that buy this course, you can see from here that is almost $100,000 from just 100 people that are going to go and buy this course, because it's actually a high ticket course. So it's someone that is very smart, and this is something you can go and do as well. What I recommend you can go and do is that you can go, for example, his channel, you can go and learn some of his tips from here, and you can go and use it to go and grow your own YouTube channel, because most of the tips from here are very helpful. You don't need to go and get a course. Most of the tips from here are actually very helpful, that I've actually implemented myself, and I've actually seen some good results from some of the tips I've heard from this particular channel from here. And you can go and grow your own channel, and once you have grown a successful YouTube channel, what you can do is you can also go and share your own tips as well in a course, and also sell a high ticket course just like this one right here for $1,000, and you can go and actually make a lot of money. So what he has done is that he has actually learned how to go and create a YouTube channel. He has actually created a YouTube channel that is successful, and next he has actually teach people on how to go and create a successful YouTube channel, and that's where he has made a lot of money. So he has made money from posting this content on YouTube, and he has also made money on YouTube by teaching people on how he actually run these successful YouTube channels from here, and actually had all these different plugs from here. So that's, guys, so that is very smart, and I just want to show you guys a simple way that he's using to go and make money online that you can go and follow as well and make money online. So I just also show you guys some of these channels from here, and that's, guys, so if you want to go and get notified when I post new videos just like this one, show you guys a lot of ways that people are using to go and make money online, etc., be sure to go and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be posting a lot more videos like this in the future. So that's, guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.
You previously mentioned that you saw indication of intelligent extraterrestrial life here on Earth. This play button with over 1 million subscribers. And I make around $30,000 a month from YouTube, so how can you do what I do without having to create any videos?